Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the very best project for the electronics and electrical engineering as final year project. This is automatic power factor improvement device.
First of all, I'm going to describe you about all the components which I have used in this project.
This is the AC connector which connect all the internal AC wires and this external AC wire. This is the current transformer connected with the PZEM module. This is the PZEM module in which zero crossing detector is inbuilt, which helps in finding the power factor, that is the cosine angle between voltage and the current. This one is the SMPS module which takes 220 volt AC and convert it into 12 volt DC supply. This one is a 5 volt regulator whose input is 12 volt DC and output is 5 volt. This is a resistive load. This and this are the two inductive load. I have used here two inductive load. You can use any one of them. These are the capacitor bank which are used to improve the power factor. This is a 3-channel relay module. The converted 5 volt output from this regulator is used to provide supply for this microcontroller and this LCD display. These are the two switches for operating this load. This one is for the resistive load and this one is for the inductive load. Now let's see the working of this project. Let's give power to our project. Here at first no load is connected. The power factor is NN, that means no load is connected. Now let's connect the resistive load and then we reset the Arduino, this microcontroller. The power factor is calculating. It is calculated up to 0.97, which is very good power factor for the resistive load. Now again let's off the resistive load and let's on the inductive load, and again we reset the Arduino. You can see here it's calculating and the power factor is calculated up to 0.60, which is very bad power factor. That's why one capacitor is added from the capacitor bank. 0.84, which is also very bad. Again another capacitor is added. So 0.97, it is very good power factor, improved with the help of this capacitor. Now let's on both the inductive and resistive load. Good. You can see the power factor is 0.52, which is very bad. Now improving automatically. After adding two capacitor from the capacitor bank, we get the final result as 0.97 power factor, which is very good. Thank you guys so much for watching our video.